I'm overjoyed to teach you how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer, iOS and Android 2026. So as you can see, I got all the settings. I got the joystick. I can walk around the Pokemon world from my house. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, I can walk around with the joysticks. This is super cool. So if you guys want to get it for your device, keep watching. I'm going to show you how to download it. So as you can see, we have all these settings here. So this is super cool. So you can see right here, joystick dynamic or static, dark mode. So this is so cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, we can change our character's speed. I mean, this is so amazing. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So let's just copy the trainer code. Very important that you do that. So I'm going to copy it, and now I'm going to take you guys over to the website where we can download the Pokemon Go Spoofer. So this is the website, ispoofpogo.com. So once you're there, there's going to be a button that says Inject Spoofer. So just go ahead and press that, and you'll see like a big page with your stuff about trainer code. But as you can see, this site is covered in information. So if you want to know something, chances are they wrote it on here, which is pretty cool. But today we are focused on downloading, not reading. So I'm going to press the button that says Inject Spoofer now, and then it's going to ask us for the trainer code. So let me just go ahead and put that in right here, as you can see. And now it's going to ask me for my platform, and then I'm just going to press continue. So at the end, it's going to load. So let's just give it a second. So as you can see, it says fetching profile data. So now it's asking if I want full edition or custom edition. Personally, I don't give a difference, but the custom one is for people that want to pick certain things. So I'm going to press continue with full, and now I'm just going to wait for this to load. So as you can see, it's loading up right here, so just give it a second. So as you can see, it should work. So you can see it says checking, fetching. All right, so let's see if this goes through, and we should be good to go. All right, so it says awaiting verification. So as you can see, it says I'm not a robot, so I'm just going to go ahead and press that. We'll see if it goes through, and it should work, guys. So let's see if this works. All right, it says failed, so I'm going to go ahead and press it again, and we'll see if it goes through. So let's see if it works this time, and please tell me it worked. And yes, it worked, guys. So that's how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer for your device 2026. So this works on iOS and Android, so it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself, get the word out. So as you can see, we got the joystick, we got the bar. So this is super cool, guys. You get all the settings here. So if you guys like it, then be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super cool. I've tested everything, guys. This actually works. So yeah, be sure to tell your friends about it. It's super cool. So as you can see, we can change our speed. So this is super crazy. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys. No jailbreak. So be sure to try it out for yourself. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, have fun, guys. And peace out.